I will show you how I make my low ponytail gel in this video. Keep watching. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how I make my ponytail. So I just finished washing my hair and I want to show you how I make my ponytail. The gel I'll be using for this is my Eco gel and my petal gel, black gel. Yeah, so first of all, I will be making either a center parting or side parting. I will just part it and then check it up later. Okay. So due to my hair is one kind difficult hair, so I'm going to use my hand dryer to kind of blow it out so that it will be much smoother. So guys, I'll go in and use my Eco gel and rub at the parting so that I can part it well, just to get it smoother. So guys, that's it. So this is our parting. So I want to make a low top of gel. And I'm done with my parting. There's a thread I'll be using, so I'll go on and bring out so that's it. So I'll be using these hair mousse to kind of hold it down. Yeah. So the next thing, I'll go on with my gel to kind of rub it, the black gel. Yeah, I'm going to use my black gel. So I'll go on to rub it. I did not rub too much gel. Right, I did not rub too much gel. Look at the gel, I just opened it now. I did not rub too much gel, so my gel is going to dry up fast because I did not rub too much gel. So I'll go on to tie this, just tie up around here. Is my ponytail. So it has you can see that brush like stuff. Ensure it's well fitted in on my hair. guys, you can see the rope extension. I will go on to tie the rope extension around my head to make it firm to the head. So this is me checking how firm it is. You can see it is tightly held to my head. So guys, this is my oil sheen. I'll just spread it to give it that shine and use my hands to spread it out. If you have watched to this point, kindly like, share my video to reach to more people, subscribe to my channel. By so doing, you will encourage me to drop more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. What's the end result on a scale of 1 to 10? What will you rate this my hair, this my low ponytail gel? What rates will you give to it? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye.